Hi, I'm Anne Mette. I'm a former intern at the Museum of Danish America. Now I live here in Denmark, outside of Vejle. We're in my, I think you call it a farmhouse, doing some cooking. So now we're making Hindbærsnitter. I think when I was in Iowa in Elkhorn, I described it as a Danish version of Pop-Tarts. You can cut them out different ways. I like to make them round, and just by taking a glass and just cut them into circles. They're super traditional. And this is my grandmother's recipe. She used to make them a lot, and now every time we have like a birthday from making cakes, the family will be a bit disappointed if there's no Hindbærsnitter. But they're really easy to make. It's just like a pie dough. Just flour, butter, and sugar. Yeah, for this dough it's 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of butter, and 300 grams of flour. Great, so they need maybe around 10 minutes or so. We'll check on them. So while it's hot, you can just kind of like clean the edges if you need to. So let's make a few. So you actually just want to make like a sandwich. It actually varies from my yard. I have a lot of raspberries out there. The ones that you buy in the bakery, they will just have like plain white icing. But this is more fun. But it tastes really nice. But I like, I usually make them, I just save a bit from the raspberry jam, just to give it like a nice pink color. When I make the raspberry jam, before it cooled down, I just took some of the liquid from it so you don't get the seeds in. And then you can just use that instead of water. It's nice and pink. So yeah, that's ready. Actually, I think I prefer the rum version because it reminds me of my grandmother, because that's how she used to make them, and I kind of like them. Yeah, the alcohol is the rum flavor is a nice combo with the raspberry.